guys, I'm Nilanjana. Welcome back to my channel and I hope you all are doing really well, staying fit and staying fine. Now this video is, it is not about get ready with me or it is not a makeup tutorial. Instead, it is about getting unready with me. A lot of you all had requested me earlier, to do a video as to how I take care of my skin. And so I thought that since I already had makeup, I was actually filming a video. I just finished filming one. So I thought, why not do another video and show as to how I take care of my skin on a day-to-day basis. I have earlier also done a skincare routine wherein I had categorized it into a morning and a night care routine. So if you want to know as to how I do it, and so please go ahead and check it out. I will be putting the link in the description box. So let's get started with today's video, but before that, kindly take a moment to subscribe down below and hit the notification bell. So let's get started. First thing before I start removing my makeup and I start to do with my skincare is I just tie my hair back, because it makes me a little comfortable, because I wouldn't want my makeup remover and everything going all over my hair. And another very important thing is we should need to clean our hands, because when we are using makeup, we generally even use our fingers to blend and stuff like that. So it's very important to clean our hands before we start removing the makeup procedure. The second step is, of course, using a wipe. Now, if you do not have a facial wipe, you can even use a cotton pad, or any cotton would do. However, it should be neat and clean. So, just keep that in mind. So here I am using my favorite Kaya Youth Oxy Infusion wipes. I swear by this wipe. I don't know, it's somehow, I feel that it doesn't make my skin dry. It is a very good facial wipe. So, and since I tend to use a waterproof and transfer proof eyeliner and mascara. So for me, the people who, my beauties who are following me, I'm sure you all know that my holy grail product makeup remover is the Garnier Micellar Water, which is an oil infused one. So I'm going to use the Garnier Micellar Oil Infused Cleansing Water, and I'm just going to shake it well, because since it has got oil and water in it, so it's better to just shake it. And I'm pouring it in. First, I would want to do my lips, my cheek area, and then I'll be going this side. Now before I do my eyes, I will even open my contacts. Now, when you're removing makeup, also it is very important to not to forget your neck area and your shoulder also, because we even tend to put foundation there. Since I'm not wearing, I do not actually wear false eyelashes, otherwise I would have removed it. But in the future, for sure, I will be using it for, my makeup tutorials. So now after, cleaning my cheek area, my lips, my nose, my neck, take time, to remove it, because there are loads of once I remove the makeup, you can see it for yourself that the facial wipe is loaded with makeup. If you can see here, look at this, my eye makeup is still left. Now I'll be opening my contacts. Okay guys, so I am done with my cheek and my lip area. Now I'm going to remove my contacts, and for that I have again, I just went to the sink and I've cleaned my fingers. Now I'm just going to open my lens. Look at the difference it makes. Okay, so I have opened my lens. Now it's the time for my eye area. For that, I'm going to take more of the makeup remover. Taking some more makeup remover, and I'll just place it here and just count maybe 5 or 10 seconds, and voila, Look at this. Oh. So guys, look at the difference. Like, you know, this is like the complete side wherein I have removed the makeup, and this side is still there. So I am done. I'm like, you know, completely I have removed my makeup, and look at this. Look at the amount of makeup I have on our face. But then, and after removing it, you know, you feel so light. Really, I mean, it feels so good. Okay, so I'm totally done with removing my makeup. And what's the next step? The next step is to clean our face with the help of a face wash. So the face wash which I really love, and I've been using it for years now, it's the Lakme Blush and Glow Lemon Gel Face Wash. So this is the one, and it is really, it's a very good and a gentle face wash. So I'll just take a little bit of it. You can see a teeny tiny bit, and be very gentle while you're actually, you know, rubbing around your eyes, because generally we tend to get fine lines and wrinkles very fast near this particular area. Now I'm done, you know, using the face wash. I just go to my washroom and I'll just, you know, I'll just clean my face and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I'm done, you know, cleaning my face, as in using the face wash. Now with the help of a small face towel. Now always remember to keep your face towel different from that of your body towel. So I'll just dab it. Do not rub it, or if your skin area gets pulled, you know, the texture of your skin will be hampered. So do not tug or pull your skin. Instead, just dab your skin. It feels so good to remove the, you know, the entire makeup. Now the next step is toning. So the next step is toning, and for that I am going to use my favorite Plum Green Tea Alcohol Free Toner. I'm just going to take a little bit of it. It smells also very refreshing. And again, I'm repeating myself, do not be very harsh near your eye area. So it's the second last step. So I'm going to use the Pond's Super Light Gel Oil Free Moisturizer. Now another thing guys, I'd just like to mention here, it is not you know, a mandate that whatever products that I am showing it to you all, it is not required for you to go ahead and order buy these things. Whatever suits your skin type and your, you know, the texture of your skin, please go ahead with that. This is the general skincare routine that I'm trying to just, you know, tell you guys. Take time to massage, because, you know, massaging is very important because it actually helps the blood to flow. And be very gentle. And not to forget the neck area. And the final step is using a lip balm, because we tend to use a lot of matte lipsticks. So because of that reason, you know, our lips, it tends to get dehydrated. So drink a lot of water, you know, because hydration is very important. Not only just applying a lip balm, but even if you're drinking a lot of fluids, that also helps. But of course, when we are talking about the skincare, do not forget to use a lip balm. and it feels heavenly. You know, trust me, it feels so good after removing the entire makeup, after removing the, it's like, so much of load just came off. So guys, with that I come to the end of my day-to-day regular skincare regime, and I hope you all have enjoyed watching it. If you did, then please do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Do follow me on my Instagram, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and keep smiling. Love you guys. Bye bye.